Hello and welcome to Allied Geospatial. Once again, today we'll continue our raster analysis and we'll be looking at how to calculate aspect. Now, aspect in general or in simple terms just means the downhill direction to which the direction to which the downhill slope faces, or I can just say the direction of the slope. All right. So that's side that it faces, and it can be northeast, northwest, all of that. It ranges between 0 to 360 degrees, something of that nature. So I know that you know what aspect will do for you in your application. I know to understand them, but I just know that is the direction of the slope. All right, so we're going to calculate slope, and there are two tools to calculating slope. So in this video, we're going to take one, and in the next video, we'll take the other one. So in this one, we're going to look at the aspect tool. And we just search for aspect, and then we use the spatial analyst, and we just click on OK. Just click on it, and once we click on it, we need to bring in the raster, which is our Chanchanga local government, and then we leave it like this because it's already currently at our Taraba state. So everything is in the folder that is we know. All right, so let's say change it to geodesic, and depending on if you're just using like a small terrain like maybe Samaru or Ahmadu Bello University just within the fence, so the other asset can be negligible, like the cough aspect can be negligible. But when you're using like a place as large as the local government, then you need to apply the geodesic. All right, so once you've done that, you click on run. So once you click on run, you will see your aspect calculated. So the aspect has been calculated. You see the flat aspect. Let's see where is flat from this. Let's look at the flat aspect of it. I can't really see the flat, but I think you can see it's a mixture around here. Then you see the northeast, the northeast, east, southeast, south, southwest, west, and then it ranges from -10 to 360 degrees. So basically, this is how you create your slope. And don't forget, if you want to if you want to change symbology, then you can just right click and click on symbology. Then you go and then you make any change you want to with it, like the symbology colors and all of that. You could just make any adjustment to it, and you can also format the color schemes. You can just check out and do one or two things that you will like with this data. So basically, this is how to create an aspect using the aspect tool. So thank you for watching to this video, and I will see you on the next one.